You want to have a crack at replacing the heater core in a VX Commodore 2002. Good luck to you, it's one hell of a mission. The amount of nuts, bolts and shit you've got to undo to get these bloody things out is ridiculous. Buried under all that fucking dash. All for a simple fucking heater core. There's all your parts. Parts you got to remove to get in there to get the bloody thing out. So from the passenger side is what you're going to end up with. Big dirty great gaping hole underneath. All that area is for a heater box. Your aircon lines, blah blah blah. This heater decided to shit itself when I was down in Queenstown when there was Snowmageddon arrived. You can see a video about that, but there's a long trip back from Queenstown to Timaru with no heater. I'm starting to pull this apart. One of the first signs I've seen in the early stages of ripping the dash apart was inside this piece. This is what hooks onto your heater box and diverts the air back to the passenger, the rear seats. But in here was the green shit of the cooler, which you can see there. It's upside down, it doesn't matter. So I knew I was on the right path to finding the drama. I don't mind working on any Commodore, any Holden, but by Christ, this is one fucking hell of a mission. If you go to do it, good luck. Just take patience. It's one thing you won't see. But yeah, you want to undo your aircon. You got a bolt in there, undo that. You need to de-gas this thing. I just let it go overnight. You get another bolt heading down the back there, a little hole. And through here, you'll have your couple vacuum lines and your heater lines, which will come down to the tap. Now if you want to see all this kerfuffle's about, we'll go over here and check out the heater box. This is a big friggin' unit you got to get out of there to get to the heater core. So once you get this thing out, I just put the heater core back in to show you where it comes from. This will just slip out of here. As you can see, green tinge, bang. Discoloration, you see all the coolant shit down the bottom, so you definitely got a leak in there. And all the foam is saturated. But yeah, a couple $100 part. They're a good bloody engine. I've worked a lot on the cars, but by Christ, I would have been in a rush to go through and redo this. You'd be a fool to do a second-hand or Rico heater core. There's the amount of work it takes to get the bloody thing out. They're not worth it. Anyway, for those who want to endeavour to do the heater core, good luck to you, you're going to need it. It's easy enough, it's just bloody fiddly, back breaking shit.